Do you want to beat the heat when it's 81 degrees inside? Yes, it's 81 degrees inside my house right now. It's crazy. And it's like 95 outside. We're going to take 2 ingredients, strawberries and juice, and make some yummy popsicles. Let's go.
This is a magic tool. It's a strawberry huller. It gets just the top of the strawberry. It's really great. I have 3 of them. I used about 1 pound of strawberries and about 6 ounces of juice. If you're making this for children, I do recommend adding a sweetener because the strawberries can be a little bit sour. Pour the mixture in these molds. I got this popsicle mold from Amazon. I can put the link in the description if you want, but I don't have any affiliation. Now we're going to pop these in a freezer for a couple hours, and we'll be right back.
Just got done going outside working on the house and the garden. Now it's time for a delicious treat. Let's see how these turned out. Cool. Yay. Yum. Strawberry and some fruit juice. That sure is awesome on a hot day. See you next time. Bye.